Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to do a full face of Charlotte Tilbury because you know I just love this brand. So let's get into it. So I'm going to start off by prepping my skin with the new face mist by Charlotte Tilbury, of course. And then I'm going to go in with the magic cream all over my face. This acts as a perfect primer and it's extremely moisturizing, so I put on tons of it. So I'm just going to work that into my skin. You can put on as much as you want. It even has an SPF of 15, which granted isn't enough, but it's nice to have that in there. And then I'm going to go in with the Magic Eye Rescue underneath my eyes. It's an extremely emollient eye cream and it works wonderfully under makeup. Now that the base is done, I'm going to go in with the Flawless Filter in number 3 on my cheekbones and practically all over my face to give myself a nice lit from within look underneath the foundation. And then I'm going to go in with the Light Wonder foundation in number 6. This is my favorite foundation by Charlotte Tilbury. It's extremely luminous and dewy, which is why I love it. And it's perfect for editorial looks as well. It's just perfect for photography. It does oxidize slightly, which is why I chose a color that's just slightly lighter than my natural skin tone. But you'll see it just meshes in perfectly. And then to contour, I'm going to use the Hollywood Contour Wand in light. Just wherever I need it, not everywhere. And then blending that in to make sure it's nice and seamless. Now to bring back dimension into my face, I'm going to use the Magic Away Concealer in number 4. I find this concealer is so nice. It's extremely stretchy, if that makes sense, but it's creamy and stretchy and the colors are perfect. So as you can see, I only put this light concealer on the middle parts of my face, the beginning of my cheeks, my forehead, my nose, and Cupid's bow of my lip. This is because I want the center of my face to be highlighted. So now to give myself a little bit of blush, I'm using the Beauty Light Wand in PINKGASM. I love this cream blush so much. You can see it's so dewy and it's almost like a highlighter in of itself. It just gives my cheeks this perfect flush. It's so natural and so dewy. Now I'm going to set everything in with the AIRBRUSH Flawless Powder in number 2 medium. And then for a little blush, I'm going in with the Cheek to Chic in Ecstasy. If you're looking to buy a Charlotte Tilbury blush, I would go with this one for sure. So for the brows, I'm using the Brow Lift in NAOMI, which is a little bit dark for me. It's actually pure black, but it works just fine because I use a light hand. And there we have it. It's actually a great product. So now going in with the Eyes to Mesmerize in Jean and Amber Gold. These Eyes to Mesmerize products just set so nicely and they're extremely waterproof as well. So I like to just prime my lids with this. Even if you're not going to put on any eyeshadow on top, it's a really great product. So I'm just going to create the shape I want. I'm going to wing it out a little bit. And now going in with the Instant Eye Palette in Pillow Talk. I'm just going to use all the champagne colors, the pinky warm tones, all over my lid. The thing with Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadows is you really don't have to overcomplicate it or think about it at all. All of the colors work really well together, especially if they're in a palette. You can slap on any single one of them together and it's just going to work. But I'm just putting the deepest ones in my crease to give myself a little bit more dimension and blow out that color smoke. And I'm gonna replicate what I did on top underneath. And now using the Pillow Talk Luxury Eye Palette, I'm just putting the topper shade on my lids. And because I don't have an eyeliner by Charlotte Tilbury, I decided to use the Benefit Roller Lash Liner, because it is my favorite right now. So I'm just winging that out in a Charlotte Tilbury style. If you know Charlotte Tilbury, you know that she likes to create a nice thin wing and then wing it out in a cat eye effect. So that's what I tried to replicate. So once the eyes are done, I'm going to put on the Full Fat Lashes mascara, which I really love. It's such a great mascara for lengthening. So I'm going to use that to lengthen my eyelashes. As you know, I love to take my time doing my lashes, so just doing my top and my bottoms. And then because I felt I needed more volume, I had this tester of the Legendary Lashes 2 mascara, so I tried that out. And it's quite nice actually. It gave me some volume, some length, and it's quite nice, yeah. And now my favorite highlight, it's the Beauty Light Wand in Spotlight. This highlight is so perfect for occasions, editorial, anything. It's called Spotlight, which is, it's so fitting because it just looks like there's a spotlight on your face. Okay, now the Instant Look in a palette in Glowing Beauty. I'm just going to use the FILMSTAR Bronze and Glow section. And now for the lips, I'm going to use the Lip Cheat in Crazy in Love, which is a nice deep fuchsia mauve pink. I'm going to line my lips with that and fill them in as well. I love these lip cheats, they just stay on all day and they're so comfortable. So yeah, just taking my time with this. I don't like to overline too much, but just a little bit. Now that the lips are filled in, I'm going to go in with the Hot Lips 2 in Viva La Vergara, which is named after Sofia Vergara. And it's a perfect match for the lip liner as well, so I'm just going to put that on top. And this creates a nice, romantic Charlotte Tilbury look. And then just setting that in with the AIRBRUSH Flawless Setting Spray. So that's the finished look, you guys. I hope you like it. I tried my best to create a Charlotte Tilbury inspired look, and I really had fun doing it. So here's a little close-up of it. A gold pink romantic look. So thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.